Welcome to Invictaland, the place where the laws of the universe do not apply. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of do-it-yourself restoration. So this is a 1973 Avion LaGrande travel trailer. I'll give you a little look around here. It has these beautiful cabinets. I live in this thing full time. It's stationary, we're not traveling. But the cabinets have not been seriously taken care of since we first moved into this thing in about 2013. So, it being a 51-year-old trailer, certain portions have seen better days. And as you can see, there's cracking in our, countertop area there that needs to be fixed. We're doing all kinds of little projects and upgrades, but these cabinets are atrocious. Look at that. So, what we are going to try to do is help them out. And I'll be using this Restor-A-Finish in golden oak. It's supposed to, restore the color of faded wood and blend out scratches. So this is actually like a laminate type material on here. So as you can see, parts of it have completely worn off. So we'll see what it can do to help it. I don't have high hopes, but we'll see. And because this is a very strong smelling product, we're going to use our painter's mask with the P100 filters, some nitrile gloves, and I've already been doing it in other areas, so my rag is already full of Restor-A-Finish. So that's the rag we're going to apply it with, and then you're supposed to wipe it off and dry it. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to bring you along with me, and we'll see how good we can make these things look. First things first, we need to open all the windows. And that's really sad because it's really hot today, so I live in an incredibly dusty area, so look at my windows. And I'm propping them open with sticks. Yeah, this old trailer has seen better days. Let me get these windows open. You should go out. Honey goes out. Too stinky. Alright, once I put this bad boy on, all these fans are going to be on, and you won't be able to hear me talk, so I guess I'm going to have to do a voiceover or something. But I hate wearing this thing, but it does help a lot. Better if it's not upside down, right? So at least it matches my shirt. Let the misery commence.
I prepped the cabinets by first wiping the surface dust off with a dry washcloth, then washed them with warm water and a little Dawn dish soap to get as much of the grime off them as I could. Let dry thoroughly overnight before applying anything. Using a soft cloth, apply the finish, covering a small area at a time. For more severe damage, like white rings or scratches, use superfine steel wool. Rub lightly in the direction of the wood grain. Immediately wipe the area dry with a clean, soft cloth. As you can see, the original finish is very spotty in places where the wood has been damaged by either water, extreme heat, very low humidity, or high humidity. Not the ideal surface to work with. I love the richness of the golden color that the Restor-A-Finish gives. I just wonder how long it'll last. I definitely need to keep up with maintenance better in the future.
Well, it's not really making as much of a difference as I hoped it would. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. It does really well where the laminate is not already destroyed, but on the kitchen cabinets, on the bottom at least, well, they're going to be better, but not great.
I bought my trailer in 2013 in near mint condition from a guy in Arizona named Denny Durbin. He drove it halfway to an RV resort in Desert Hot Springs, and I could tell it was home from the first moment I stepped in. It just felt warm and inviting, and I couldn't wait to make it my own. That night, the trailer gently rocked in the warm desert breeze, and I knew a wonderful adventure was beginning.
I just want you to see, I already did these cabinets like almost a week ago now, and this is what they look like. They look better. And I did the door. And I'll show you the bathroom. I had higher hopes for the bathroom. It had similar issues to the kitchen, and at first it looked great, but now this is about a week later and you can definitely see the delamination. It almost looks like I didn't do anything. So now I'm wondering if I need to redo it in here. Just put another coat on, and then what you're supposed to do is coat it again with this beeswax stuff. What is it? Feed and wax right here. So you're supposed to put a layer of that on it afterwards, and then, you know, wipe that off as well to like moisturize the wood. So I'm kind of, you know, wondering if it's gonna look better after I do that or not. So we'll see. But that's it. That's the Restor-A-Finish. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of chaotic, but let me turn this off. Okay. Wait a minute, let me turn that off. Okay. So let's see the results here. Does not look very good if you ask me. I kind of had a feeling this might happen, that these cabinets here are going to be too far gone, but let me wipe this down real quick. It definitely, this one in particular looks really bad. I don't know why this got so light and this was dark, like even before the Restor-A-Finish. I don't know what caused that. But here we are. I would keep going, but I'm almost out of it, so I need to get some more. There's not much left. So there you have it. I guess the moral of the story is don't let your cabinets go. Keep them maintained and keep them clean, because you don't want to end up like little old Invicta over here. Okay. Yeah. I'll be doing like a full trailer tour eventually once it cools off. It's still too hot for that, so as you can see, I have to have the fans going everywhere and whatnot. Was there anything else I can say? Oh, here. So we did this wall already, and we had some hooks. I'll show you. we had these hooks over here that were holding up some stuff right there, and so now it looks like crap. And I'm not sure what to do about this because some of that is adhesive, which might come off, but realistically I think I have the same problem as I have with the cabinets. It's just not going to look very good because this is after one coat of the Restor-A-Finish already, and I haven't put the feed and wax on it yet, but you can still see the marks for sure. So anybody that works with cabinetry, if you have any tips, let me know if there's anything to be done about it besides just painting it. I'm really trying to not paint in here because I love the way the cabinets look with the wood. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Real quick, I wanted to show you about the brass, what I'm going to do. This is all real brass, and so I'm going to be polishing it and putting some kind of a clear coat on it so that it can go from that brown to gold, and it will hopefully look a lot better because these pieces are all over the trailer. So that's another thing I'm going to do. Some kind of suggest a good clear coat to put on this once it's totally clean. Okay. Oh, and I think you've probably figured it out by now, but I'm not a restoration pro, so you know, if you try any of this stuff and it screws up your trailer or your project or whatever, don't blame me because I'm not a pro. Bye.